What's going on, boys? I usually don't make videos like this where I'm just kind of sitting here and talking to you guys one-on-one, but I figured, just every once in a while I should. There's a big part of me that's sitting here right now and like very, very overconfident and super excited to keep trading and keep, showing you guys what I'm capable of. But in reality, like, I know what's coming. This is gonna sound so corny, but one of the my favorite things to trade, I love to trade EMA rejection. You're watching price action retest these kind of average areas, and that's exactly where I feel like I'm heading right now. I'm feeling I'm gonna pull back to average. So I'm sure you guys have had certain situations go on where you might have been on this really good streak, or you passed a funded account, or you felt super confident in the way you were trading, and then all of a sudden, all that greed, all that, confidence going forward, something happens, you have a bad couple days, and then all of a sudden, boom, everything changes. Again, it's so easy for me to just sit here and say that because hindsight is 2020, but it's the one thing you really have to develop as a trader, which one of those things you really don't just pick up. It's going to take a while, but having that conscience to understand what is going to happen in the future. Our job, our commitment is trying to predict future moves. This is something I always like to come back to because, of course, people come from different areas, but, the thing that you've done the most in your life, you are very confident, you know exactly what's going on in that space. I want to make sure you can relate it to what you're going through right now. And we've all traded before, so it's something I can easily relate to and make you understand this. If you look at any index, any big growth stock over the last 50 years, you will see it is a pretty big uptrend. It usually only goes up. But if you really start to zoom in, you're going to see these crashes, you're going to see these moves down, you're going to see a balance. Over time, yes, the winning is going to subsede it, but it's not just this constant every single day you're going to win. People think of me as a trader and a person who makes money inside the stock market and just all of a sudden assume that I never lose, I make only money, and I'm basically set for my entire life, which is completely false. There is nothing from a win to loss perspective that has changed over the last 5 years in my life. I would honestly say I lose just as much as I used to. There has been a dramatic increase with how many times that I've decided to either win or step away. You guys are putting yourself in these giant holes because of all of the bad mistakes that you're making, and it's making all those wins and everything that comes along with that success only bring you back to right here, which is exactly where you started. And you can't stop. You have an addiction to trading. And I don't even want to call it a gambling addiction because that's not what it is. Even me to this day right now, I still could sit at a chart all day and trade it for literally 12 hours straight. I understand that there is a direct qualification between time that I spend trading and amount of money I lose, as well as amount of trades that I take and amount of money I lose. And the longer I look at that chart, the more money I lose. Summing it up, the less work that you do, the more time you spend away from the charts, you will make more money. Think about it in most scenarios. Even if you are taking a trade, making money and stepping away, that's obviously a benefit, of course, because at that point you could go back to the charts, you could try and keep making more, and you're of course going to lose it. Even if you aren't winning trades, you aren't buying funded accounts, you aren't just running through evals, ripping them like a literal gambling addiction, trying to get to that point where you can make some money or get that first payout where you're just spending. And if you are going to spend, go to Tradeify and use code Steph. It's 30% off. They have accounts that literally get you instantly funded. I don't know why you are not on them currently right now. I don't know why I wasn't with them sooner. But anyways, what I'm trying to get to here is that you need to make a decision at some point in your trading career that is going to change pretty much the entire outcome. And if you're watching this video, you obviously were curious. You obviously know you might have slight problems. I do too. Every single person does on the entire planet. Nobody's doing as good as they say they are. But that doesn't make it okay for you to mess around. If you want to see results, if you want to see outcomes, and if you want to see all of those things come to fruition, the people who got to that point, I didn't get to this point half-assing, fucking around, taking bad trades. And if you like good trades, pull up to my Twitch stream every morning 9:30 because I give away banger trades. I haven't lost a trade in 2 weeks on stream, link below. But I'm just trying to tell you, and I'm really trying to be that angel on your shoulder, that I want you to learn from the mistakes that I've made. I've sat on the screen for 20 hours, literally just standing, taking trades, ripping evals nonstop. I've sat here for 5 years and took trade after trade after trade and got up on the day and felt great and then kept chasing and then lost it all and then felt horrible. You can learn so much and you can gain so much from the 5 years that I've spent trading to within a month you could understand basically everything that I know. Not even just me, anybody else. You know how good it would be for me? I would definitely use someone like me to my advantage. Why would I go through and waste my entire net worth trading like I did and lose everything that I had like I did when I could just watch somebody understand what they did right, understand what they did wrong, and start basically where they are at right now? Obviously, we're in an era where education and content and there's so much, that everything feels kind of oversaturated, and you lose that feeling of like chasing the right content because you never know what's going to be right and what's going to be wrong. I've never been the person to say you can only watch my stuff, you can only trade how I trade. I never do that. Any student that I've ever worked with, whatever, I always learn and understand how they trade and then work off of them. Stop looking for the answers within a video of a new way to trade or a new education style or a new coach or any of these things. You know exactly what you need to change. You're just too scared to admit it, and you're too scared to make that change. You feel the guilt, you feel the pressure, you feel all of these things. I know it sucks, I know it's hard, but the only way that thing is ever going to change is if you realize you're making these mistakes, you open up, you be honest with them, you confront those demons, you battle them, and you win. You know, like even just making sure you're inside of a community, like I always feel like and refer to the fact that like I've had a Discord for so long now, bro. Like those people have became my closest friends. Those people are the ones that I can open up to that stuff and feel comfortable in this tough battle. Because this shit is really strong. Mentally, this is one of the hardest things you'll ever endure. I don't feel emotion anymore because of trading. Genuinely, like even in my outside life, I feel like Dexter, bro. Like I just sit there and I'm just like, okay, yep. Because my life has been sucked out of me, not in a good way. I always have your guys' best interest. You guys mean so much to me, and I'm so thankful for every single one of you guys, and that's exactly why I'm making this video right now and talking to you about this stuff. I don't see you as my son or someone that looks up to me or does these things. I see you as a brother. I'm looking out for you. I'm trying to help you. You just apply these things, surround yourself with those people, put yourself in a position to succeed. That's all I'm asking from you. If you can do those things and understand how much time that I'm going to put into making you a better trader, the least you could do for me back is actually start to implement those things. I love you, bro. Subscribe. See you later. Pull up to my Twitch streams every once in a while. It would mean a lot. Later.